Hello busy friends. We all know that pistachio, one of the dry fruits, is good for our health. Pista dal is rich in nutrients. It is rich in proteins, vitamins and minerals. Pista dal is especially high in vitamin B6. Also, this pistachio dal has antioxidant, antimicrobial, antiviral, anti-inflammatory and anti-diabetic properties. And these include mono and polyunsaturated fatty acids, so that these will help in controlling hyperglycemia in the body. In 2014, a study was conducted on type 2 diabetes patients. This study found that consumption of pistachios for 12 weeks has reduced glycemic control in diabetic patients. Antioxidants are substances that play an important role in our health. They protect all the cells of the body from damage, due to which the risk of cancer and other diseases is reduced. As this contains antioxidants, we can avoid such dangers by consuming such food items. Nuts generally contain antioxidants, but pistachios are rich in antioxidants like gametopherols, phytochemicals, and polyphenols. In particular, they contain the antioxidants lutein and zeaxanthin, which are essential for eye health. Therefore, including pistachios in your diet can help in reducing fatigue, insomnia, skin and eye problems. Poor health can lead to constipation and urinary problems. To avoid such problems, we have to keep our stomach healthy. Pistachios are a good help in keeping our intestines healthy. Pistachios have low glycemic intakes, so when they are taken, the blood sugar should not increase suddenly. Eating pistachios can make you feel full and reduce the likelihood of overeating, helping you to maintain a healthy weight. Eating pistachios raw instead of roasting or frying them with salt can provide better benefits. Otherwise, their daily intake should not exceed 56 grams. So, those people who are allergic to pistachios should keep a distance from it. Otherwise, problems like rashes and asthma will occur. Due to the presence of purine in pistachios, consuming it in excessive amounts can cause arthritis. But remember that roasted pistachios contains acrylamide, which has harmful effects on the nervous system. Additionally, due to their rich amounts of potassium, magnesium, and phosphorus, they have the ability to prevent kidney damage. So let's take all these in moderate quantities and maintain health.